Hey, it's Molly from the Feedfeed, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy radish butter. This is like one of my most favorite snacks. It's great on toast, it's great in eggs, it's delicious on a grilled steak, on fish, roasted veggies, like basically you name it and this stuff is good on it. So this recipe is actually inspired by one of my all-time favorite restaurants. It's called Water Street Kitchen in Woods Hole, Massachusetts, and they have a seasonal menu that is just beyond, and whenever I go, I get this radish butter. There's only 3 ingredients. We have some breakfast radish. You could use whatever radish you want. You could get fancy and use watermelon, whatever you are feeling. Some flaky sea salt, and the most important part, this cultured European style butter. Okay, so cultured butter has a higher butterfat content than traditional like sweet cream butter that is in most grocery stores in the US. So more butterfat is obviously more flavor, it's less water, it's just all around a very good thing. And the difference that happens when they make it is once they pasteurize the cream, they actually let it ferment. So they add like a live bacterial culture, much like you're making yogurt, and they let the cream ferment before they churn it. I am going to quickly grate our radishes. Very simply, just grate the radish. We're using 8 breakfast radishes, which is roughly 1 bunch. And then look how pretty. So Sarah Tain, one of our food editors, she actually made some butter dipped radishes, which are also delicious, but this is like a way to just concentrate even more radish flavor right into your butter. Okay, voila, look at this. So pretty. So obviously radishes are mostly water, right? So we don't want any of that in our delicious butter. So I'm going to just throw it into a fine mesh strainer. So I'm gonna press, ooh, look how pretty. I'm gonna press the radish pulp with the back of a spoon and just get as much water out of here as possible. Isn't that color crazy? Look at this. It's like, it looks like food coloring. Nope, it's just a radish. Okay, so we have our radishes. I have pressed out as much moisture as possible. I'm just going to add them to our butter and add in some flaky salt. And you're just gonna sort of mash this together until it's well combined. Okay, so this is good to go. I'm just gonna spread it on to some toasted sourdough bread. This is my favorite way to eat it. Okay, so the radish butter is so good, you have to make it. As I said before, you can serve it on grilled steak, grilled vegetables, on fish, really any way you want it with crudité. So be sure to give the recipe a try. Thanks so much for watching.